So it's got to be this. Like when you're going 30, John, you can visibly see this bouncing. And it ain't nothing to do with that rear end. It's up here. This front shaft is straight as an arrow when you're going. You can put your finger right on it and it's laser straight. You put it on the back one and it's bouncing up and down.
And that one we just got.
Yeah, but so it's probably this shaft on this front one. Got a little bend in it or something.
If you take that back part of the shaft off, drive shaft off, the vibration will go away.
Yeah.